Hello friends, welcome to LabTel. In our channel, we make videos on brand new laptops, refurbished laptops and services. Today we are unboxing Dell Inspiron 7420 i5 processor. Inside the box, first you will get a user manual. In Dell Inspiron 7420, you will get Intel Core i3 processor, Intel Core i5 processor and Intel Core i7 processor according to your requirement. Here you will get Windows 11 Home and Single Language English. As for your requirement, you will get different graphics card, Intel UHD graphics, Intel Iris Xe graphics, NVIDIA GeForce MX 550 2GB GDDR6 available. And this is a charger. 65 watt charger is available with Type C. With the laptop, you will get a stylus pen. And this is the power cord. And this is our laptop in platinum silver color. Let's see. Made with aluminum exterior chassis material. You can see the hinges here. It's a convertible laptop. You can convert it fully. And you can see air vents behind and the grips. Here you will get a HDMI 1.4 port, 2 Type C port for power delivery and video, and the other hand side you will get a SD card slot and a USB 3.2 gen and a jack for mic and headset. Let us see the dimension and weight. Height 15.70 mm, rear height 17.86 mm, width 314 mm, depth 227.50 mm, weight 1.57 kilograms. In this laptop, you will get 4-cell 54-watt integrated battery. For power, you will get 55-watt Type C adapter. For audio, you will get a headphone and microphone combo port, stereo speakers with Waves Max audio, you will get a big keypad with a stylus pen. Here you will get internal Titan Grey English International backlight keyboard. In Dell Inspiron 7420, you will get 720p at 30 fps HD camera, 1080p at 30 fps Full HD camera with a manual shutter for your privacy. This is fully bezel-less laptop. We have here Intel Core i5 processor. As I told you, you will get Intel Core i3 and i7 variants also. 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor with Windows 11 Home and Single Language English, Intel UHD graphics, 14 inches Full HD, touch screen, narrow border and pen support. With 8 GB RAM up to 32 GB upgradable. With 512 GB SSD up to 2 TB upgradable. With Microsoft Office, Home and Student 2021, Intel Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2 wireless cord. So friends, this is Dell Inspiron 7420 unboxing and configurations. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.